Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of my favorite nude lipstick combos, and I'll be showing you guys how I overline my lips. I get asked those two questions quite frequently. I can't talk today. Quite frequently. So that is why I decided to make this video. So I'm gonna start off with showing you guys the products that I like to use, and then we'll get to the little overlining tutorial. Just a heads up, some of my favorites are actually limited edition and they're not available anymore. But I still wanted to show you guys what they look like in case you want to find a dupe for it. I know whenever now I'm gonna have to find a dupe for it. So just letting you guys know. So we're gonna start off with the lip liners, and I have 4 that I'm constantly reaching for. Like, I have different types of lip liners, but these are the ones that I always reach for. So my number one, the one that I can't live without, is this one. This is the Makiage and Carli Bybel lip liner. They did a whole collab last year and they came out with this lip liner in the shade Luna. And this is what Luna looks like. She's kind of like cool but also warm, and it's just the perfect brown tone for my skin tone. I do want to mention that if you're watching this and you have a lighter skin tone than I do, some of these could look darker on you, and if you have a deeper skin tone than I do, some of these could look lighter on you than they do on me. But okay, let's move on to my next lip liner. This is Nutmeg from NYX. This is actually the most affordable one out of them all. And this one is honestly not that deep. This one is very, very warm. It's a very warm brown, but I love it so much. I love all of these, like, they're all perfect. Next up, we've got Versatile Chestnut by Makeup Forever. You can also use this as an eyeliner. The Makeup Forever one is similar to the NYX one, but the Makeup Forever does have some like purple tones in there, so I really like to use this one when I want to do pinky nudes. I also use them with like more brown lipsticks, but I do really like it with pink lipsticks as well. Pink nudes, we're talking about nudes here. Next up, we have the KKW Beauty Nude 2.5 lip liner, and this is actually the creamiest out of all of them and is the one that I'm wearing today. That's this one right here. She is very similar to the Makiage one. I wouldn't say it's exactly a dupe. Simply because for some reason, even though this looks lighter in the swatches here, this one's actually darker on me than the Makiage one. Now we're moving on to bullet lipsticks. I've actually been preferring these over liquid lipsticks because these aren't as drying and they're just so much more comfortable to wear, even though I still like liquid lipsticks. But yeah, I know this looks like a lot, but I wanted to give you guys options, but in reality I have a top 3 that I'm constantly reaching for. So I'm going to show you guys my top 3. This is the Makiage and Carli Bybel lipstick in the shade Libra. This is no longer available, but I just wanted to show you guys so you guys could see the tones. This is a cool tone brownie nude and it's gorgeous. Like, you can't even see it. It's so pretty. It almost looks kind of gray on camera and on my lips, but it looks good. My second one that I really love is the Faced Sunday Funday lipstick. This one is in between like peachy and pink, but depending on what gloss I wear, it looks more warm. And by warm, I meant like brownie. I love my lipsticks to look kind of like brownie. Speaking of brownies, I would really love some brownies. This is another one that I absolutely love. This is the Huda Beauty Board Meeting lipstick, and this is a cool toned brown. And this is actually the one that I'm wearing today underneath my gloss. Look at that, just gorgeous. Now I just want to share a few others that I also really like. This is the KKW Beauty Nude 4 liquid lipstick. And this one, I feel like it has like cinnamony vibes. Like, it looks peachy once swatched on the back of my hand, but on my lips it looks like a light cinnamon. And this, oh my god, she is creamy AF. All of these are creamy, honestly. They're supposed to have matte finishes, but they're not that matte, which I don't mind, because if you guys haven't noticed, I'm always wearing gloss. So yeah. Up next we have the Kylie Cosmetics. These are the nude creme lipsticks. This is the shade Dulce de Leche. So this is not matte, this is cream, and it's so gorgeous. Honestly, all of these are gorgeous. Like, I can't help myself. And she is also very peachy. Another one we have here from the creme lipsticks by Kylie Cosmetics is Mont Blanc, or Mont Blanc. Blanc? I don't know, y'all. And this one, she is like a cool toned, like pinky mauve-y kind of shade. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And next up is another one, Kylie Cosmetics. This one's called Mastic. Girl! This one's called Cosmic, and it's a matte lipstick. Oh my gosh. She is a cool toned brown right here, and it's so pretty. Like, it has hints of gray in there, and it's gorgeous. Look at all these nudes, just absolutely stunning. And my mom tells me that it always looks like I'm wearing the same lipstick. Like, girl, no, they're all different. They're all different, as you guys can see here. Now I want to show you all some liquid lipsticks that I really like. But again, if I'm being completely honest, I reach more for bullet lipsticks these days than liquid ones. So I want to start off with this one. This is Sand, and this actually looks like concealer, but I wanted to include it because if you get like a brown lip liner and you use this lipstick and you blend it out well enough, you're gonna get a gorgeous a gorgeous nude lipstick. But you have to make sure that you're blending it out properly and that you have a lot of lip liner on, because if not, it's gonna look like this on your lips. Manchester check. Let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, I'll also be listing all of these lipsticks down below, and the lip liners and everything. So next up I want to do On Mute. And On Mute is like a mauve-y nude. I love it, it's so pretty. This in combination with the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut lip liner, gorgeous. That'll give you your more mauve-y pinky nude. Next up we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy lipstick. This one paired up with a brown nude lipstick is gorgeous. You get the perfect peachy nude lip. That's peachy right there. She looks kind of light, but you know, if you wear it with an appropriate lip liner, it'll look fine. That's another thing, I don't wear lipstick without lip liner. Like, I can't believe I used to do that. You never gonna catch me doing that ever again. It's not okay. It's a crime, unless it's like red lipstick or something like that. I mean, at least in my opinion, on myself it doesn't look good when I just do lipsticks and no lip liners, no darker lip liner, I should say. Okay, so another one that I really love, this is a pinky nude. This is Bare by Kylie Cosmetics. And this one also with the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut looks really good. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to show you guys some glosses. Oh, I feel like I moved my hand really fast, but these are the nudes. But yeah, we're going to move on to glosses now. And honestly, like, I have so many glosses, but there's like just a few that I'm constantly using. Okay, so first off, the one gloss that I feel like I've mainly been reaching for lately, this is the Too Faced Net Worth lip gloss, and she's like a bronzy gold with like pink reflex and whatnot. Very, very pretty. Here she is. Like, they have most of these have a little tint to them, but for the most part they're not like super like plain color, if I'm making any sense. I don't think that made sense. Like an opaque color, I think that's what I meant. Another one that I really, really love is the Kylie Cosmetics OU Fancy Gloss. My only complaint with this one is that you do not get enough product. And this one, glossy AF. She's very similar to the Too Faced one, and it does have a lot of shimmer, but it just has like a tiny bit less than the Too Faced one. Now this one I could feel, I feel like I could wear with any combo, no matter what like lipstick shade I'm going for. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. This one I cannot wear on its own because my lips will look silver. Because the colors in here, they're like a milky white. What colors? It's like a milky white gloss. I know it looks like super transparent on camera. Now the gloss that I'm using today is actually a new one. This is my first time trying it out, but so far I'm really loving it. This is the Lunar Beauty Celine Gloss, and this smells so delicious. Like I can't even put words. Like there's no words to describe it. It smells like the best vanilla cupcake ever. Like when you put it on, you want to eat your own lips. And that's her right here. It's kind of sheer for the most part with very small little flecks of glitter that are gold. And it's just very pretty. I know that all of these look essentially the same, but I promise they're different once you put them on your lips. So I'm gonna show you guys the lip combo that I have on today, and I'm also gonna show you guys how I overline my lips. So as I'm sure you guys have noticed, my lips are pretty uneven. My bottom lip is on the bigger side, meanwhile my top lip is pretty small. So I always overline my top lip, but to be honest, I overline my bottom lip too, just for preference. But I do want to show you guys what I usually do because I get asked a lot. Going in with the KKW Beauty Nude Lip Liner in the shade Nude 2.5. I should probably sharpen her, but I'm lazy, so I won't. My lip ends right here, but I'm gonna go underneath that, underneath the line where my lip ends, my bottom lip. Most of my overlining on my bottom lip is just in this area, but as I'm bringing it forward, as I'm bringing it upward to my the corners of my lips, I'm bringing in that liner. I'm not like making the sides wider or bigger. All right, so now you want to color in a little bit on the inside. Doesn't matter if it's not well blended. Now for my top lip, I start off in the middle. I do have a Cupid's bow, but it's not very noticeable, and if I'm being honest, I don't really like Cupid's bows, so I do round out my lips at the top. So my top lip ends right here. I'm gonna go way higher than that. Like I even have a beauty mark right here that I'm going to hide. You want to start off small, like you don't want to start off overlining too much. You can, oh, I'm sweating. You can add more liner as you go. Okay, so what I did was I lined where my natural lip line is, and then I kept building it and building it until the line became thicker. But alright, I'm not done, but so technically what you want to do is line where your natural lip line is, and then keep making the line thicker and thicker, but upwards, up until a thickness that you like. Now you're gonna be you're gonna be wanting to look at your lips and make sure that they have the same shade, because sometimes I'll do one side more round and then the other side more slanted. I want to make sure that they're both round. That's just my preference. And again, what helps me achieve this look is rounding out my Cupid's bow area. All right, so I'm gonna add more lip liner to the inside of my lips. All right, so that's it for the lining portion. I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, and I'm only adding this to the areas where there's no lip liner. Now we mush. You could also use a brush or your fingers for this, but I'm lazy. So here's your nude combo. How beautiful. This honestly does not need lip gloss, but I'm gonna add lip gloss just because I love lip gloss. Look at that. Like, they look so much bigger. Who needs lip injections? Who? So for gloss, we're using Lunar Beauty in the shade Celine. And there you have it, folks. This is how I overline my lips and my favorite nude lip combos. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.